much to see with me and my family. We've had our ups and downs. Can nothing stop us now? 'Cause we stay strong. The world can separate us. It's amazing we're blessed to be this beautiful family. This beautiful family.
What's up, TTF squad? What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up, y'all? What's up? And today we are gonna be setting up the Christmas tree. I'm very excited, and especially the fans.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Today we are setting up our Christmas tree, guys, in November. So yeah, we just got everything sitting out right over here.
So this is what we got here. This is the Christmas tree. I can't even talk. This is the lights.
We have the ornaments here.
Ornaments. We got the Christmas tree. And like the little rug that's supposed to go under it.
So yes, guys, we're gonna be setting up over here in this corner. We're gonna have the Christmas tree here. We're planning on getting the decorations and stuff to put on this bar, guys. This room I told y'all is gonna be used for a multi-purpose because like this is, you know, more of the family room. We're planning on getting some more stuff. I want to like get like a picture or something to go right here. So yes, y'all. So I want y'all to just, you know, come along with us and watch us put together the Christmas tree. But first, make sure you go hit the subscribe button though. Don't want y'all to forget that part. Go hit the subscribe button. Join the family, guys, and also make sure y'all comment below if you're sitting at your Christmas tree right now. Let me know, or like do y'all usually wait till like, you know, the beginning of December?
I can say that, girl.
Girl, we got some lights. Okay, I know the lighting, y'all, it's not as great.
Mommy, that's an ornament.
Yes, ma'am, we have ornaments. All right, so first though, what do we have to take out first?
The Christmas tree.
Exactly. So, yeah, so you can just sit there on the pool table. Alright, so remember guys, these are numbered, right? So we start off with like the base part and then we just have to stack, you know.
Yeah, like dominoes.
Like dominoes.
I'm kidding. Like,
So here, let's sit this here. Alright, let's sit in now. So this is on number 5.
so now we're just going to put all of these on. We gotta be careful with it.
Wait on the ornament, you know why? Because that has to go last.
Yeah, that has to go last. Need that. Hello.
Yep, there we go.
That's how we let the tree stay there.
Yep.
That's how we, Mommy, look. Mommy is building. Okay, guys, look at this.
Come on, listen. Come on here. It's time to spread these apart. Alyssa, come on.
That's a branches.
I'm glad I was done with them. Spread them like this. Just spread it like this.
But also, when it's time to do the ornaments, you can't put them close by to each other.
Okay?
Like, maybe the same
So the one at the end, Olivia, spread it out like this. Like this. Make sure you put this one out.
Okay, I got the
Like that. See, it's almost like, it's really easy, really. Just, you see how it's already separated on different sides? Just kind of just open them up. No, don't do that. You take all that one. Yeah, don't you want a nice frosted tree? Beautiful, right? No, we got to do this first. You got to count down. gonna actually show the part for the ornament. It's okay, baby. We're gonna finish it, and we're gonna put our ornaments on after we finish the tree. We got the Christmas tree pretty much together. We're gonna add some lights to it, and then right after, we're gonna add the ornaments. This tree looks really nice. The stockings, yeah, that's for the decoration. So we got our Christmas lights. So we got the Christmas lights right here.
And we got more Christmas lights right here.
Yeah, that's a lot of Christmas lights.
More Christmas lights. We got 4 Christmas lights.
So Olivia already done plug it up. So we just gonna start wrapping. Well, I'm gonna wrap. I need to keep that in the bottom. And I'll make it go around the tree.
Always have to start at the bottom, then you're gonna move on to the middle, out of the middle, more of the middle, and then the top.
Alright guys, so we got our Christmas tree up, we got our lights on. Now we got the girls putting on the ornaments. And yeah, we're gonna finish the decorating part. Also guys, I got another little thing. We have like the village that I want to show you guys as well. Like I said, I have plans on doing so much in this room. I want to put lights around the window. Like, I just want that whole Christmas vibe thing going. So this gonna look nice.
I think I have it. I mean, this one always reminds me of a Christmas. Hey!
Got it?
Especially at the top. Oh, there it is. It's already put.
Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna get a garland to go here. We just decided to hang some ornaments up right here.
We
And-
got our village here.
Yes, we got our village going right here.
They also light up. Some of them don't have batteries, but we will eventually buy stuff for them. So here, this church here has lights up. If you turn off the lights, you would
Yeah,
see
they all
it.
light up.
This one's going weak.
You
but-
got the truck, you got the little
So
Christmas tree.
most of the things here are like with batteries, but no battery, but like doesn't work. You need batteries. But like the little people in this tree here doesn't like need. Daddy was talking about a big picture right there.
Yeah, we're thinking about putting like a
big Christmas
yeah,
picture.
a nice picture over there. Yes, guys, we got our Christmas tree up. Whenever we do more decoration, I will, definitely show you guys more of, that. So, in the meantime, I want y'all to like this video, comment below, guys, and I will see you in another one.